how to make only followers and followings can tag you on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only followings can tag you on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find privacy. Click on it and scroll down until you find mentions and tags, and here you will find it. Here you will find this one, uh, followers that you follow back. Click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.